Hi! In this video, I will show you how to render in Adobe After Effects. First, I will import a media file here. By going to File, Import, then click on File. I will drag the file on my timeline here. To render, go to Composition. Click on the rendered queue. Click this and select Best for the quality. Full for the resolution, read only on this cache, and click on OK here. Click on the output module settings and follow the settings here. Next is go to Output 2. I will rename my file and click on Save. And we will see here that the video is now being rendered. After that, we can already use this rendered video in Adobe Premiere Pro. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!